I
Huh?
tomorrow. One.
Wait. No, wait. Listen. Addition is to put more, right? Addition is to put more. Someone there was giving me examples. Yes, that's right. But addition is to put more. Even if another teacher asks you, what is an addition? Or what is addition? Addition is to put more because we are putting more objects in one group, right? So as addition is to put more, I would like to hear some examples. Can you give me some examples? There was a Megan, I think that she was saying 1 plus 2, right? 1 plus 2. If we have 2 here and one more, how many fingers do we have?
Entonces, 1
One
plus
plus two.
equal
Miss, ¿qué es lo que hay que hacer, Miss?
con 1.
One,
Permítame.
two, three.
Dígale a la misma entonces.
Three.
Very good, Megan. 1 plus 2 is equals 3, right? 1, 2, and 3. Very good. No recuerdo que me estaba preguntando qué íbamos a hacer. Okay. Now, we are reviewing what is an addition. Then we are going, they will have to write. They will write down on their notebooks the numbers that I asked you to study, right? Ahora, pues les voy a dictar. Recuerden que les pedí que estudiaran los números, ¿verdad? Last week, we started working with number 21, 22, 23, 24, until 29. Yes? And last week, we also write it down. But now, I'm just going to let you know what number is going to be.
Miss, ¿cuál página es?
No, ahorita no estamos trabajando con el libro. Yo les voy a hacer saber en qué momento vamos a trabajar con el libro, ¿ok? So, as you already know, what is an addition or what are the signs that we have in an addition, you are going to write there some examples. You can write on the top of your notebook, en la parte de arriba de su cuaderno, you will write the date. So what day is today? Today is Monday, August, right? August 3rd, 2020, right? I'm gonna keep it here, like this. Today is Monday, August 3rd, 2020, right?
I finished, Miss.
You finished? Very good. What about the rest?
Miss, hágale ahí arriba que no miro.
Like that? Yes? No?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did everybody has a date written? Yeah? Todos terminaron de escribir la fecha.
I have finished, Miss.
Very good.
No,
Look, the month is August.
Eso.
Yeah, everything. This is our date. Today is Monday, August 3rd, 2020, right? This is our complete date. This is what every one of you should have in your notes. Todos deben de tener la fecha completa en el cuaderno. Okay, today is Monday, August 3rd, 2020.
Miss, hágalo para abajo. I finished, Miss.
Like that or like this? How?
Miss,
Like this?
finish me.
Very good. Did everybody finish to write the date? Yeah, no? You need more time?
Miss, are you finished?
I finished, right? I finished. Did everybody finish? Yes? Can I put it? Uh-huh. How? Like this, August, or how?
Boy.
Hmm? Do you finish? Yes? What about the rest?
¿Qué están haciendo? ¿Ves?
I finished me.
Thank you.
Ya estoy escribiendo la fecha.
I am writing the date. Okay, Dylan? I am writing the date.
Usted dijo 30. Anoche casi se... Anoche casi me... Yo no sé, Josué. Es que estoy haciendo eso. Siempre que nos decimos algo está bien.
Okay. I hope everybody has a date.
Ventilado. Solo es para eso. Ah, sí, qué bonita. Mira esta.
Yes, you finished?
Yo la he querido ver. En Netflix la hubiéramos visto. ¿Se acuerda, Micha, aquella que miramos La Chica Nueva? Bueno, resulta que esa serie es como de miedo y trae como violencia. Yo no me la ponía cuando estaba joven, solo cuando estaba sola. Miss, I'm finished.
Okay, thank you.
Salen cosas de miedo y sale sangre, violencia.
Por ahí hay alguien que está, ¿cómo se llama?
A las 12 de la noche.
Platicando creo, no sé, de películas, porfa.
Llorando, ¿verdad?
Platiquemos de eso despuesito.
Estamos el niño demonio. Y estaba Josué. Mami, no puedo. No, me quería. Porque el cholo es...
Creo que es Dylan, please. Okay, today is Monday. We are going to you have to write on your notebook, right? Now the numbers that I'm going to ask you to do it, right? Now let's write there in one of the lines, number 23. Guys, number 23.
Estoy escribiendo la fecha.
Dylan, but you were talking about movies and we don't have time to talk about movies. Okay, 23, you have to write it down because now you already practice your numbers. It's time to put in practice everything that you practice, right? If you already know how to write number 23, write it down because this is part of your evaluations. It doesn't mean that we are going to evaluate it now, but I am observing if every one of you are practicing numbers, the alphabet, everything that we are asking to you to do it, right? Right there, 23. If you finish to write number 23, it doesn't matter if you are writing the number big or small, but try to keep it in a line. Traten de mantener el número en el renglón, no se vayan a salir del renglón. You have to leave an space, que es una rayita, okay? The space. And then you are going to write number 25. Number 25. $25. Now, let's see. Do you finish to write your number 25? Yes? Now, let's write there our number 26.
¿Cuántas ha dictado, Miss?
Ahorita voy por el tercero. El primero fue el 23.
Ajá.
El segundo fue el 25. Y ahorita vamos a dictar el 26.
Ok, gracias.
Okay. Do you finish to write number 26? Jose David, turn off your camera, please. Annie, the same. Nehemías, Kimberly, Yannick, Elisa, Abigail.
Miss, José David tiene la cámara encendida.
Ah, que no me aparecía.
Sí, pero aquí la estamos viendo nosotros.
Ah, ok, gracias.
Hola, Miss. Yo tengo dos Ani conectadas. Estoy yo en mi trabajo y para escuchar qué están haciendo y así poderle ayudar a la niña. Pero
Ok,
Ani
gracias.
tiene la cámara encendida.
Gracias.
Listo.
Miss.
Igual
Yes.
yo, mi buen día. La mamá de Nehemías Ezequiel.
Ah, ustedes lo están como
En el trabajo.
monitoreando. Ah, ok, está bien, no hay problema.
Gracias, Miss. Buen
Bueno.
día.
Bueno, igual. Okay, now that we have number 26 written, let's write our last number, 28. 28.
Miss,
Hmm? 28. That is our next
Presente,
number.
Mister.
Okay, 28. Sí, hoy sí, gracias. Okay, now, guys, thank you. Now, we are going to have an space. We have to leave an space. Tiene que dejar un espacio por los dos renglones. I'm going to see if you can add without my help, okay? They're going to be short additions, Let's write there. 11, do you remember number 11? Yeah? No? 11 plus, let me write it here. Here I have paper. 11 plus 2. Look, 11 plus 2. Why do we still working with number 11? Because sometimes some of you don't remember number 11. And that number is one of the second numbers that we study. Now we are working with number 21, 22, right? Until 29. So please write there number 11.
Disculpe, Miss, ¿son de additions o solo son los números?
No, ahora vamos a trabajar con additions.
Ok, dijo 11 plus 2.
Sí, 11 plus 2. Remember, guys, that you should write them down, okay?
Miss, hay que hacer esa suma.
Sí, usando las rayitas siempre.
Ah.
Lo hago porque quiero ver si ellos han practicado, si todavía recuerdan cómo es sumar o la manera de cómo uno les dicta, si ellos todavía recuerdan los números. Miguel, can you work, please? Ah, Kenny, hello. Welcome back. I thought you were lost. Okay. Remember to use the sticks, right? Sticks are better for you, are easier for you too. So that you're working with that. Okay. Let's try the sticks. Use the sticks. Why do we say sticks? Okay, sticks because they are easier and also is wait. It's better for you. In first grade, we are going to work with sticks. And sometimes, but it will be 2 or 3 times that you are going to work with some other object, but then only sticks, right? Okay, now that you have your first addition, we are going to work with our second one. Today we are just going to work with 3 additions, okay? The next addition is 18. 18 plus 1. 18 plus 1, okay?
Es la segunda que dicta Miss.
Sí.
¿Cuál es?
18 plus 1.
Miss, 8 o 18.
18.
18.
You finished?
Viendo la basura.
Okay, and the last one will be 15. Okay, 15. 15 plus 2. Okay, one more time. The first one was 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2. The second one was 18 plus 1. 18 plus 1. And the last one, 15 plus 2. Now you have to develop with your sticks, right? Try to keep your sticks.
¿Cuál es la tercera, Miss?
15 plus 2. Fabriana, are you working? Okay, Abigail is working. Axel is working too. Brittany, Dayanara. Miguel, are you working? Remember, guys, that this is part of your learning,
Miss,
right?
la tercera es 16 más 2, ¿verdad? La que dictó.
No, la última 15. 15 más 2.
Ah, 15 más 2.
Sí. Remember to write the sticks. And this is something that I am asking to do because I wanted to all of you keep it in practice your additions. Because next week we are going to start with addition and we are going to start with something new, right? So let's do it every day. Even if you don't have homework about additions, do it by your own. You can practice counting and develop some additions with your toys, with your pencils, with notebooks, right? With everything that you have around. If you have a lot of trastecitos, okay, to play, you can count how many cups do you have, how many dishes, how many forks, and things like that, right? And then you will be a master in math. Now, if you finish with that part, because remember that that is part of our feedback. We are going to work in our books. Eliana, are you working?
¿Quién es mi?
¿Qué más iban a hacer, Miss?
Suma solamente 3, las 3 que les dicté.
Ah, ok,
Sí.
ok, sí.
Bueno. Okay, now that if you complete it, right? If you develop already your 3 additions, you have to give me the answer. I'm going to take some students. I'm going to take them. And here I have the first one. Let's see. Miguel, can you give me the answer for the first one? The first one was 11 plus 2, right? Yeah? Or can you read it? Can you read the first addition? Yeah? No? Okay, Ileana? Jesslyn, can you sit properly, please? Jesslyn?
Sí.
11 plus 2 equals 13, right? Very nice job. Excellent. Now, let's see, Fabriana, the second one. 18 plus 1. Fabriana? The second addition. 18 plus 1. Can you give me the answer? Yes, you have it? Huh?
20.
The second one, 19, right? 18 plus 1. 18 plus 1 equals 19. Remember to keep working with your sticks. And let's see, Axel, the last one.
Bien.
Thank you, Sado. Very good. So, Axel, the last one. The last one was 15 plus 2. 29. No. 15 plus 2. This one. Look. 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2. It can be 29. No.
Plus
Remember.
20.
Equals what? No. 15 plus 2. Are you sure that is 20?
70.
17. Very good.
70.
15 plus 2 equals 17, right? Very nice. Excellent. So now you are going to look for your book. If you have your book next to you, right? El libro. And you are going to open it. Open your book and look for page 75. Why do we work on page 75? Because there is also a review about numbers from 1 to 10. I'm sorry. Here. Look, 55. Are you there? Yes? No? 55. Look again here. Page 75, I'm sorry, 75. Page 75. What do we have there? Well, there is a, the picture is showing us people, right, playing on a beach. You finished?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Jeremy. Excellent. Now, let's look for your book and open it on page 75. Okay, guys. So what are we going to do there? We are going to count. Look, I'm going to show you the picture here. Look, we are going to count the different things that we have there because there are a lot of elements, right? There are some sailboats. Look at the sailboat. We also have the sun, the shiny sun right here. We also have some umbrellas. There are some kids. They are playing with making some sand castle. They have also tools like shovels and also some buckets, right? Yeah, can you see this? There we have a lot of things, but here in this part, I want to give you the answer, right? We have shovels, umbrella, bucket, shells, los caracolitos, right? Kids, sailboat, and lifesaver, right? So what are we going to do there? We are going to count. Let's start counting first our shovels, right? Las palitas. Let's count our shovels. How many shovels do we see here? Because kids are playing with shovels, right? Over here we have 1, 2, 3. 3, what? How many else?
Finished.
Huh?
I'm finished.
Thank you, Dylan. Now let's count. How many shovels? ¿Cuántas palitas tienen ustedes ahí? I'm gonna count mine and you have to give me your answer.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4. I just see 4. Yes. How many? There are 4, right? So here you are going to write a number right there. Let's see. Here I have my pencil, my marker. We have to write there our number what? Number 4, right? Let's write here number 4. Look, because there are 4 shovels. Now, what is our next object that we should count? Umbrellas, right? How many umbrellas do we have? How many? 1 and 2. Very nice. Let's write the number 2 over, right? The umbrella's picture here. Let's write it down. After to write the number or the amount of umbrellas that we have, we are going to count the shovels, right? I'm sorry, the buckets. How many buckets do you see there? How many? Kids are playing with them. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Let's write there number 5. Right there, number 5. Yes. Now let's count our shells, los caracolitos. How many shells do you see? 8. Very nice. Let's write there our number 8. I'm gonna have it here. I'm sorry. Do you finish? Now let's try how many kids, how many boys and girls together are in our pictures.
6.
6, very good. Let's write there number 6. Excellent, Axel. 6 kids, right? Or 6 children. Now let's count our boat. How many boats do we have? How many boats? Look, there are a lot in the water, right? In the ocean. 7, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Let's write the number 7 under our boat. And the last one, our lifesaver. How many lifesavers do you see? I see 1, 2, right? There are only 2 lifesavers. Very good. 2. So now that you have your answers, you are going to look for colors and you will color the umbrellas according the color that they have over the picture, right? Look at the shovels. Okay, our shovels are already colored, right? Now, our umbrellas. The umbrella here is white and blue. They should be white and blue too, right? Shovels, okay, we already have colored them over the buckets too. What else is missing? Our boat. What color are they? Look at this one. It is brown, blue, white, red. Those are the colors that each boat should have, right? And now our sunny, what color it should be? It should be white, blue, red, pink. What color is the sun? It is yellow, right? Let's go.